All right, the purpose of this video is to show you cleaning and maintenance of your vacuum cleaners. We're going to be going over, but also cleaning the heads, which is important, and we're going to go through all 4 different models today. All right, so for cleaning and maintenance, the first thing you want to do is detach the actual motor from the head. Pretty easy. So now we've got this straightforward. I'm going to turn it around so you can see what I'm looking at, right? Inside here is your displaying. It's one simple downward thing. I'm going to put that garbage right there. Okay, super easy, and it's done. That's what you do on a regular basis. Occasionally, you want to give it a full clean. You know, this is where you take off the whole attachment, right? I'm taking the battery out, and I'm trying to get this piece off, right? Because in here, I've got 2 filters, okay? So the first filter system is in here. If this needs a clean, it's pretty straightforward. You can see it's clean at the moment. But there's a second filter right here, right? So this is easily pulled out. It's got a tab. You can just pull it and clean that anytime, right? And you need a clean filter system to make sure that it's working properly. All clicks back together. Very straightforward and easy. Right, I've taken off the battery just to make it safe to use, back on, and then I put the machine back together, okay? The second one we're gonna look at, this is the Rocket. It's also by Shark. And first step, remember, detach the head, okay? Again, a simple 1-button depress right here for dumping the garbage. We've got some chips and quinoa in there. I'm closing it up. Okay. And I want to access the filter system, right? 1 click. The button's on the top here. Okay, the thumb is going, and it's 1 click. Same as before, I can access one of the filters right here, right? And the other one is right here. Easy to work on with the tab. Pulling right out. So you can make sure the filters are clean. They're going to last you quite a long time. It's more, make sure you get rid of the dustbin on a regular basis. So obviously you don't want to have that build up too high. And again, you put it all back together and it's fine. Okay, we're going to run through the next 2 machines. Again, we got the Samsung, the Levoit. We're going to do a quick clean on the filter. So I'm going to take that off. This one doesn't have an open lever where everything depresses. You literally push the top button up front. Now I've got the whole system in my hand. And what we're going to do is we're going to remove the lid. Okay, this is one of the filters that you can be working with, right? And this whole thing comes out. This is part of the filter. So when you're dumping it, it all goes from one container. And then you can put it back together, okay? I like the way it's designed because it is pretty simple to operate. I got my filters all back in here. So this one, all the filtration system is on this end, and it's easily put back together, okay? So we're gonna move over to the next one. The last review of cleaning the attachment is the Levoit. Again, I'm gonna separate it. So I have the whole device in my hand, a 1 button here, so I'm able to remove. I have all the contents in my hand right here. This has the depress the lever, garbage falls out here, right? Interesting, their filtration system is in here. So it's a click, a turn, and occasionally you're gonna be cleaning out that one. Back in and closed. And in the back is your filter systems that you can also check on a regular basis. That's back here. And again, we can put it all back together very easily. Okay. All right, guys, we're going to go through a quick review how to clean the actual head of your Shark model. If you can see here, it has 3 basic flathead screws. You can use a flathead or a penny or a quarter, whatever you want. It has a lock and unlock position. I'm turning all 3 of these to the unlock position. Just 1/2 of a turn. Okay, so all 3 are done, and the finger clicks in here. So I remove this piece. okay? And I'm not taking out the whole head, but what I'm accessing, if you've ever had a vacuum cleaner, is the point where all the dirt goes in. And sometimes pieces get clogged in here, or it's not, you know, on other machines, I notice it's not accessible. So this is a very easy way to access what's going on and allows you to get in there. It has a detangler on the actual head, so sometimes a lot of hair and things like that will last a longer time. And again, to put it back on, everything just lines up the way it's supposed to, okay? So, and we turn it the way 1/2 a turn to tighten it up. We're gonna move on to the next Shark and take a look at that one as well. The other Shark is basically the same model, same design, and so it's pretty easy to take it off. The 2 depressions, we click it in, that's easy, and it's on. And I'm going to tighten it 1/2 turn, 1/2 turn, 1/2 turn. It's not a big job, it's pretty basic. All right, we're gonna do a quick head cleaning review on the Levoit. I've already just attached the actual motor, so we're just gonna focus on the head. Pretty nice design here. You can see it's 1 button that I'm going to depress, which allows this side to pop up, right? So I'm pushing it down, 1 button push, and this side releases the head. So you can access the roller head here, clean off any extra debris that may be holding you back, but it also gives you access to the inside model and any potential blockages that are in there. So I like the way they designed it because it's pretty straightforward and easy to use. And then I'm putting the head, it slides right back in. And I'm in, okay? And we can lock it back in. So I like the 1 push button, and it makes it very clean and easy to access the head. If you have any problems, it also has a built-in detangler so it doesn't build up in there. Our final model review here for head cleaning and maintenance is the Samsung model. Like the Levoit, the access point is 1 button to depress, right? Which releases the whole spinning head. And now I can actually focus on cleaning this any way I have to. But when it's out, you can also have easier access right into any area that may have some blockage or large debris that's not causing your machine to work great. Again, it's all cleaned. We're gonna just drop it back in, and it clicks as easy as that.